Okay, dear attendees, and hello. A very warm welcome to all of you. I'm Nishan Rai, your host for this session. Online platform to give to receive a presentation about the LinkedIn, that is IIC, the Institute Innovation Council, and the eCell of Galgotias University. So, talking about the eCell, our eCell is the home to build, nurture, and promote the young entrepreneur university. We are aimed to welcome new ideas in our university and to create a culture of innovation amongst the young graduates. We aim to build a strong community of growing leaders of tomorrow. Talking about our today's event, that is LinkedIn Decode, the ninth wonder of world is, and it is perhaps one of the most important activities. Networking leads to like most of the opportunities you receive, new businesses, new ideas, and it also helps you to keep up with the pace of growing competition. People have understood yet undervalued the power of LinkedIn for so many years, and it to be on LinkedIn today and to have a good profile. You need to work on it. You need to see what others are doing and really to work on each section of your profile that you will learn today in our session. You'll not only have to keep up with the growing competition, but also be on the lookout for new opportunities and new competition. You need to keep looking on it. You know why? Because opportunities don't knock. So, our speaker, who is Mr. Siddharth Srivastav, introduce a bit about him. Mr. Siddharth Srivastav, a final year graduation student in our Galgotia University. So, he is basically a very dynamic personality. And apart from being a dynamic personality, he has also experienced interning 20 firms this year. With the hunger of learning and earning experience, he has also associated with Cry to Smile Foundation. While legions at internships, he founded his No Hunger Foundation, that is NHF, in this year March, a non-profit organization whose motto is to eradicate the issue of hunger in India. It solely aims to improve health, lessen hunger sustainably through hyperlocal food distribution while lowering plastic usage. So without any further, I'd like to welcome Mr. Siddharth Srivastav. Over to you, sir.
Uh, is I'm audible to Ishan?
Please continue.
Yeah. So thank you so much for introducing myself. So firstly, today we have listened about the seventh wonder from the starting. We have listened about the seventh wonders of world, and for eighth world of wonders is all about compound interest. And as we know that nine worlds of wonder is all about networking. As eventually the increase in the session of networking we have seen in the lockdown, as per that most underrated and undervalued platform of social media is all about LinkedIn. Like many years, like people have ignored the platform about LinkedIn. People have just been using Instagram, WhatsApp, but somewhere like people have just ignored a part. Even I add myself also that we have undervalued the LinkedIn. So apart from this, I found a LinkedIn in this lockdown, and I find it's very productive part in my life. Having a LinkedIn profile is very important for us nowadays. When you are running towards online platform, like people, everything is just turned into online, like classes to colleges and every stuff, like even the companies are also running around nowadays in online only. Being an entrepreneur, it's very important for us to have a professional profile on LinkedIn. So starting with the today profile. So today webinar name is LinkedIn Decode, which is all about compiling effective LinkedIn profile is all about today. So I just request Abhas to just turn the another screen. So the first question is all about why should we college student be on LinkedIn? The first question arises that why should college student be on LinkedIn? First and foremost, for me, if you are talking about LinkedIn, it's very important for every person. If you are a college student or if you are a BBA student or a BTech or a MBA graduate, this very most important part is all about to have a professional profile in your life. When you nowadays a professional profile is very important for us. Also, it helps us to get internships for any job or internship. Also, if you are an entrepreneur, you are pursuing or planning to have an entrepreneur life, it's very important to have a personal profile also that speaks without you. Nowadays, your profiles speaks more than you. Like whenever you are not available in the place, people see your profile, people try to stalk your profile, and there is a place where you have to very conscious about yourself, like you have to prepare your the details or for the same. So talking about the LinkedIn is a platform where you can get a lots of information about knowledge, skills, and set of opportunities which are availing towards LinkedIn. Many of my friends and colleagues just got a lots of internship opportunity from LinkedIn, just using just you required a proper way of getting a platform or to proper way to connect to the recruiters. So today we will get some more tips about LinkedIn, what I've learned from my side, personal skills. So first and foremost, to get an internship. So it's your job responsibility for a reader to hire you. It's your responsibility to make it easier for a recruiter to hire you. How you can do it? When you're starting for a internship or opportunity or looking for opportunity, it's your responsibility to make yourself speak louder by your profile. So for doing that, characterize your ideal employee. Secondly, you will also grow your professional network and maintain a positive online presence that make you help in your future work and internship search. Having a positive profile that's make you easy platform for you to get internship and opportunity. Whenever you are having a good profile, your profile speaks more than you. It's very important for you to have a professional profile on the LinkedIn. And for that only, I'm going to share some small tips where you can improve your LinkedIn profile. So I request Abhas to just turn the another page. As I told that your profile is your online first impression. Like nowadays, we know that online is how much important online is all about. So for having an online platform, and the first impression is all about your priorities. That is top fold, summary, and explanation. So today we are going to distinguish between 3 points. That is all about top fold, summary, and experience that speak about your personalities on LinkedIn on online presence. So talking about the top fold is all about headlines, what describes you. Like if I'm a student, BBA graduate student, so at least my profile, if any person want to know me, so without a top fold of the details, like small details, that I'm a part of a Galgotia University, I should mention in my headline that I'm a part of Galgotia University, I'm a part of ESEL. So you have to make sure whenever you are highlighting your top fold, like your headline, you have to make sure what you are currently doing. Like if you are working with associated with any company or associated with any other or any marketing club, you should make sure that you should, in short, you should highlight. There's a way of highlighting our headline is all about. Abhas, you can just share, turn the screen. Yeah. Firstly, firstly, the most important point is all about whenever you are starting editing your profile, your LinkedIn profile, you have to just make sure that whenever you are editing your profile, you have to just turn off your notification for your edit until you are ready to launch. Because whenever you are doing anything, or you are updating your profile picture, or you're updating your work experience, or you are editing your educational experience, that directly going to showcase to other users, those are connected with you, and that is very irritating for them. So whenever you are updating anything, something is very important for you. If something you want to, if you are sure about your update, you want to update this, that you are confirmed with this job and you have to update this. So you make sure that you should on the notification. But if you are not confirmed before sharing your details, your headline, you should make sure that you off the notification. Do not publish an update to my network by profile changes, because it make chaos in your profile. Like whenever you are updating, I getting a notification. That I just take an example of Abhas. If Abhas is turning any update in their profile on LinkedIn profile, that is directly going to notify me at the same time. So that is quite irritating for me if Abhas is doing something on their profile, or editing something, or upgrading something on their profile. So it's all about, we try to upgrade ourselves. Like we can't go continuously. We try to change jobs. We try to change internships. We try to update our college from graduation to PGDM. Sometimes it's being the same. So we try to update the profiles also every time. So it's very important for us to turn off the notification, to not interrupt others. So Abhas, just turn out the slide. So talking about the first step, like LinkedIn is all about a step-by process. Whenever you are having a LinkedIn profile, there's a step you need to follow for every step. And whenever you are following any step, every step matter for valuing your profile. आप ऐसा नहीं कर सकते कि आप कोई भी step आप ignore कर रहे हो. If you are not having following the proper guidelines for the having effective profile, somewhere you are missing and lacking, and somewhere yahi cheezein aayegi. Like many people have just observed and tell me, Siddharth, that I try to apply internship, but I'm not getting a positive response. If I'm trying to XYZ applying for such companies, so I'm not getting a positive response or getting a reply from the professional people. If either I have tried to reach any professional platform or professional people from like IIMs, from IIT, so they are not accepting my request from very long, because due to a lack of profile on your LinkedIn, people do not trust you and they do not want to connect you. If your profile is very effective, like what my experience personally is all about, when I was started using LinkedIn, my profile was something different, very different. I can't tell you, that was very different. Like as a casual picture is all about. And I was just written some details about myself, because I was not aware about LinkedIn, what is all about. So from that time I was start learning. So whenever I saw things that my friends are getting, like my brother is all about, he's studying from PGDM from IIMs. So he used to get a lots of positive connection on their profile, and is a very good profile having. So I see that whenever I'm sending any request to any person, any professional people from IIT, from IIMs, like people are not trying to accept my request, and it's very taking very long. I try to add every person, right? Just connecting and try to add every people, but still not getting a positive response, not any messages, not any positive information, just having not having productivity on my LinkedIn. So the first step is all about to have a profile picture. So profile pictures have different types. Like people are be like there are many people have put in a lots of profile picture. Like I've seen my friends also. So the picture is very different. Like putting a picture and putting a right picture is very important. So these are two different things. Putting a picture and putting a right picture is very important. Photo should on LinkedIn, research show that profile with pictures 77% into more likely to be viewed by potential connection. आपकी फोटो काफी क्लोज होनी चाहिए. The image of your present photo can communicate your credibility and rest of your profile. अगर आपकी फोटो है वो आपको speak करेगी. Like whenever if you are putting a right picture, like as you see that my profile picture speaks more than it talks about myself. So that is the thing, that putting a right picture is very important. So Abhas, turn the slide. I just show some example. Like you can see the right side the photos, like they show you the how types of person are there. If somewhere you understand the situation that they are the part of such a good corporate companies, and such they are such a good entrepreneurs, but their profile pictures just like that, beside my right picture, as you can see guys. So it is just engaging that they are not trustworthy, or they are fake accounts or something like that. But as you see there, my left side, the people who have a professional profile, it speaks much more louder than other. So profile photo is also very important part in LinkedIn when putting a right picture. So try to use close picture whenever, अगर आज session के बाद किसी की photo ऐसी लगी हो, तो try to change it guys. एक close photo लो, अपने colleagues, अपने दोस्त से बोलो, या अपने घर में किसी से बोलो, एक close photo लो जहाँ background पीछे एकदम clear हो. ट्राई टू ये करो, क्योंकि इससे बेटर होता है कि आपके ऊपर फोकस आता है. इसका भी एक रीजन. एंड ट्राई टू टेक अ क्लोज स्माइल पिक्चर विद योरसेल्फ. तो ऐसा क्या होता है ना, पॉजिटिव रिस्पांस मिलता है. आप अपनी प्रोफाइल पिक्चर ऐसी लगाते हो ना, तो आपकी प्रोफाइल पॉजिटिव दिखती है. सो अब भास जस्ट टर्न द स्लाइड. So first step is all about putting a picture, right picture is very important. So secondly, as I told in the starting, that headlines matter for you, that whenever you want to have a good profile on LinkedIn, you should keep a headline. So whatever you are doing, as I'm a part of engineering college or I'm doing any chemical engineering, that need to be mentioned over there in my headline. देखो हम क्या करते हैं ना, हमको दिखता है like whenever I'm trying to scroll, अगर मुझे कुछ दिख जाता है हेडलाइन में और कुछ अट्रैक्टिव रहता है तो मैं डायरेक्ट उसे क्लिक करता हूँ. कोई भी अपना टाइम खोल आपको सर्च करके नहीं खोलेगा. You have to make yourself speak whenever you are there on the profile or the search bar. So whenever like if I take example of Ishan, if Ishan is there, so Ishan should keep every details of his that looks so attractive. Whenever I see like it's about from BTech, from Galgotia and from eCell. So whenever I see the search bar in the headline or suggestion by for the connection, I see Abhas is a part of eCell and I am also part of eCell. So we should connect together for good working, for good better further working for future. So that is a way of showcasing your work, your profile, which speaks about yourself. You don't need to write a whole paragraph. You just need to write shortcut that about yourself, what the part you are doing. Just use such words like whatever you are profile you're working. If you are part of sales job or internships or of sales, or you're part of any association with a company, just try to write those company names. So a detailed headline is all about increasing your findability. Like आपको लोग आसानी से ढूंढ सकते हैं और आप दूसरों के प्रोफाइल पे बहुत अच्छे से क्लियर भी दिखोगे. कभी ये आप कभी कोशिश करने एक प्रोफाइल सुधार के देखो, you will get a definitely a positive response within a week. So use keyword that effectively identify your expertise and focus over your experiences. So Abhas, just turn the slide. As you see that headline so about myself, as a example I'm just added the screenshot about myself. Like आप अगर आप देखोगे ना मेरी profile, so you will get an idea like what the companies I have worked till now and what all about myself, about the professional experience I'm talking about. So you will get a rough idea about myself, what I have done. So इससे आपको आइडिया लग जाएगा कि मेरी प्रोफाइल में होगा क्या with the headline. आपको ये भी हेडलाइन पढ़े हो, आप पूरी चीजें नहीं पढ़े, but you are getting somewhere idea of about myself. Another side देखो, एक मेरी friend है Fox की है, under she is the founder of Girl Script. Like many of us listen about the same. So आप उसका भी देखो ना, so you will get an idea that she is the founder of Girl Script and Technologies and Future in TEDx. So that is the role of a headline. So Abhas, you can just turn the slide. So the step you need to remember about the first, if you not turn your profile picture just try to by today, by the end of the session, try to keep your photos just like I've told. Also the headline if you are not done, but like many of them have done, so try to do. Also there's a part in the LinkedIn profile is all about summary. Summary is all about a really your virtual handshake and personal introduction that you might have not been face-to-face networking opportunity. You want to use the same genuine conversation voice that you would use when you were meeting someone over coffee or personal and descriptive. Just tell your reader what you do and maybe a little bit of why. So a summary is very important part. Like बहुत लोगों ने इसे ignore रखा है कि भी कोई यूज नहीं होता होगा. Like बहुत लंबा पैराग्राफ लिखा नहीं जा सकता, लिख नहीं सकते या कुछ ऐसा चीजें लोग बहुत इग्नोर करते. बट आप समवेयर देखोगे ना, summary is all about speaking about yourself, not selling. There is a very important point is noted over there. No selling, just telling. So the point is all about no selling and just telling कि आपको अपने बारे में कुछ अपग्रेड करके नहीं बताना. You have to just tell what you are, the really what you are. If I'm Siddharth, at least whenever you are reading a summary about myself on my profile, you will get to know about what I am and what I've done till now. That is the thing. It's all about a summary play a role in LinkedIn. So whenever what is the role of getting, आप अभी पूछोगे कि एक summary लिख के अगर मैं अच्छा लिखूं तो मुझे इससे फायदा क्या मिलेगा. If you're not writing a summary, आप किसी को कनेक्ट करोगे, लोग आपको जान ही नहीं सकते कि आपके अंदर खूबी क्या है. If you are a person of a web designing, people can't get an idea about you have a skill and mindset of about web design. So किसी को अगर जरूरत भी होगी ना web designers की, तो वो आपसे कनेक्ट भी नहीं कर सकता. So that is the thing that you have to make sure whenever you are writing your summary, try to tell them whatever. And if you go for a reality of meeting someone, you tell about yourself. The same way you have to do in your summary. Try to write about yourself within few lines in an effective manner according to yourself. Don't use such words. Don't use such thing that describe like कोई किसी ने read किया तो उसे लगा कि आप उसने over डाला. So just try to be real and try to present yourself. whenever you are doing these things, you are definitely going to have a positive response from the recruiters, from the HR, whenever you are connecting for the internship or opportunity. Also, it's very important, like we have a e-cell and we are entrepreneurs, so it's very important for us to have a proper description about ourselves, what we do, what our company does, and what the startup we are just working for. So summary plays very important role for the entrepreneurs also. So guys, Abhas, you can just share another slide. So there is a descriptive. I will just tell you about how to write a summary. The first paragraph is all about short summary. Include that you are looking for a job or internship or something. How to contact you. So I'm a second year chemical engineer student at Amity University seeking a summer to a solo internship. Please contact me at shivam@gmail.com or some number. So आपको अगर किसी को आपको कांटेक्ट करना होगा, किसी को आपकी प्रोफाइल पसंद आएगी, इफ समवन इज वांट टू कनेक्ट, मैंने एचआर को रिक्वेस्ट भेजा है, एचआर ने मेरी प्रोफाइल स्टॉक की एंड ही वांट टू कनेक्ट मी, उसे लगा कि लाइक आई एम हैविंग अ पोटेंशियल टू वर्क विद देयर को कंपनीज. सो if a short intro I will compiling summary में उसे पता लग जाएगा कि what I am doing right now in education and how to contact with a email and number. So it's very important part that we should add in our summary such things like according to you yourself you can do anything. Just a rough way to make you understand about what you have to write in a first paragraph. So these things are very important. I know that this thing take up took a time, but definitely when it's a one time process. Once you do, when एक घंटा लो आज अगर आप लिख दोगे, there's something is going to turn it out by the regular days. Like you will get a definitely a positive response and proper response. Those आपके recruiters हैं, आपको response मिलेगा if you are looking for a opportunity. Second, can you just Abhas share the. So not taking what more time about the summary part. The second paragraph provides you more detail about yourself. So second paragraph is all about, you want to start with the background of why you do and what you do, why you are passionate about what you are studying and what saying I am passionate, a story about your. देखो, secondly, firstly आपने बता दिया कि I am pursuing this from Galgotia University and this is my contact number. Something you what you want to describe about yourself, what your background is all about, what you want to do in your career or something, what you're seeking for, and what is the reason behind it. If I'm looking for a sales internship opportunity, so I will write about the same. If I'm an entrepreneur, I will try to देखो यहाँ पे सेल्स पर्सन का बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रोल होता है. लाइक इफ एनी पर्सन वांट टू सेल, अब मेरा स्टार्टअप है कोई सेल्स का या मैंने कोई प्रोडक्ट लॉन्च किया है, so there are many entrepreneurs are available over there that they want to sell their product, so they will try to service on their paragraph that this is product we launch and this service we provide. So it will directly attract the recruiters or the person who want to buy the such products. So that is all about second, that what you want to and passionate is all about what you do and what is your background. So going ahead, Bas. Second is all the same for the passion, what you follow about your passions and everything. That describe the highlight the hand-on experience related to your industry, whether that internship and co-enterprise of your course work project. Ensure you talk about what you worked on the program. And so third is all about, like if you mentioned above paragraph that you worked in such company or you describe any product about yourself, so this is a brief introduction. There is a part of every paragraph that firstly start with your basic introduction, secondly what you are doing, what you are passionate about the same, which companies you are working, and third is all about what you are going to highlight the hand, that which company you associated with, how was the role about the same, how was the experience is all about. So third paragraph is all about the ending. We are going ahead with the ending. So it took a long process, but definitely it's a productive part. So go ahead, Abhas, again. So fourth is just all about, many people just seek that icing on the cake is all about. So tell about your co-color involvement or campus or with the community, highest and teamwork you have been involved and leadership position you had. So this is all about your achievement and recognition is all about what you have achieved till now. Like Abhas is a part of ESL, so he have recognized by this. So that is a cherry on the cake that any recruiter want to see, that he's expertise in this work on. So that is a thing that you want to showcase in your profile. So this things is all about like we क्या होता है, जब मेरे पास कोई achievements आ रही है right now, so हम उसे कहीं mention नहीं कर रहे. So that is also very important part. Like LinkedIn is a platform where people share their certificates, their achievements. Also, they try to mention what they have achieved till now. What the also they people from the schools, like the whatever they school, they are a bright student from the school. Like many people are from the bright student, like they are scholars from the schools. So they, those things can be also mentioned on the LinkedIn summary. That also is a icing on the cake of your profile, and somewhere like recruiter will see that is a bright personality, that he's a scholar from the personality from the colleges. Also he's very also he's very passionate about today what the he works. So that is the thing that you make sure. देखो कोई भी चीज आपको आज के लाइफ में, it's where everything is turning into online, तो आपकी हर चीज मैटर करती है. If you are looking for a big opportunities, you have to make sure you have to put every step in a right way. अगर आपका एक स्टेप भी गलत है, आप अगर सोच रहे हो कि 3 पैराग्राफ लिख के मैं 2 पैराग्राफ कुछ भी लिख के छोड़ दूं, तो ऐसे नहीं होता. So you have to make sure that you are writing a right paragraph about yourself and describing yourself, not selling. So Abbas, you can just go ahead. Optional is the 5th paragraph, that if you are optional is all about keyword about yourself, that if I'm a person of I'm a pursuing a course of HR, or if I'm a person looking for opportunity in HR, so I will highlight a human resource or entrepreneur. If any person is all about entrepreneur or social entrepreneur, so they will highlight a keyword about their self at the end of the summary, that is entrepreneur. So that is also going to highlight that he is a monitor, he's a personal speaker, he's also an entrepreneur, he is also a tech team member. So that things also matter. So we can go ahead, Abbas. So there's additional summary tips that apply keywords carefully. Whenever you are applying keywords, keyword is something like very effective. Like we see such words that impress a recruiter. So try to apply keywords whenever you are using a good summary. Use a numerous paragraph whenever you are converting in a bullet point. Try to not write in a whole paragraph. अभी आप 5 पॉइंट सुने हो तो आप जाके पूरा कहावत लिख के आ गए, ऐसा नहीं करना. Try to distinguish between the paragraph. Try to put a bullet on it. क्योंकि उससे क्या होता है, इफेक्ट लगता है एंड चीजें क्लियर दिखती है. एंड आपको लगता है ना, आप इसका भी एक रीजन होता है इफेक्ट अलग करने का, दैट व्हेनेवर यू आर रीडिंग यू ट्राई टू सी दैट देयर इज अ क्लियर डिफरेंशिएशन. सो आपको पता लगता है कि हाँ ये पैराग्राफ पढ़ना है. So that is the thing, that you try to use numerous paragraph. That is also a very effective point. Again, it's not about just not to tell. It's all about not to sell. Just tell about yourself. Avoid words and paras like experience, organized, good communication skills, return driven, responsible, effect. Like मैंने दिखा, I'm a good cricketer player. I'm good singer. So these things you need to avoid such words that going to strike on the recruiter's mind. That if any person, if you want to add someone from IAMS or someone who from professional networking or some ideal person from your side, so avoid such words that make you silly. Like try to use professional words. Try to be very sincere whenever you are writing any word. So it's very important in a professional platform to write and use such words. It's very important. And also keep revising. Bhaj, you can just change the slide. So there is a very important part that अभी देखो आप लोग हो गए ना कि बहुत लोग होंगे इसमें अभी सोच रहे होंगे कि यार इतना तो कौन करता है, अभी तो इतना सुन लिए, करता कौन है, रिज्यूमे कौन लिखता है इतना सारा. तो बेसिकली अगर आपको लगता है कि आपसे ये नहीं हो सकता है, तो मोस्ट ऑफ द रीडर्स आल्सो थिंक दैट कि मुझसे समरी पूरी पढ़ी नहीं जाएगी, इतनी ज्यादा इतनी कहावत पढ़ी नहीं जाएगी किसी के बारे में, और मैं क्यों पढ़ूं. द क्वेश्चन अराइजेस दैट मैं क्यों पढ़ूं किसी की प्रोफाइल. Once they are introduced by your resume, so what you can do, you can just have a good resume about yourself and try to upload over there on LinkedIn. Whenever any person opens your profile, they directly going to look over their resume, and resume speaks more louder than anything. So if you are putting a resume over there, a proper putting a proper way of resume without any mistakes, before putting a resume, try to check your resume by not putting any error over there. So it will be very easy for a recruiter to understand that what profile you're looking for, or whatever, if you're looking for a job or internship, it's very easy for a recruiter to hire you. by taking a look over the resume, which is the best part of LinkedIn is all about. They try to give such opportunity to you. They try to celebrate your achievements. They try to celebrate you and enhance your skills. They try to give you a proper uploadation of your resume where a recruiter can directly see your resume. You don't need to send anyone. That is the best part. You don't need to send anyone. You have to just connect people, those recruiter, and try to pitch over there. And people are going to directly see your profile and see your resume over there. And from there only, you can just get a job or internship. So same for an entrepreneur. You don't need to, if you are looking for if you are a salesperson, you are looking for a leads. So where you can just have your own way of getting a leads from collecting people. So mostly people are from the selling. I just saw that people from selling also, they try to generate leads from LinkedIn by connecting over messages, by proper pitching ideas. They try to regulate pitch, like once they message, they try to remind another day. So somewhere like exam मेरे साथ भी हुआ था, like people have tried to send again and again resume messages over on LinkedIn. So once I took a look over there and I got the thing that was very productive about a resume. So आप leads भी generate कर सकते हो LinkedIn पे. That is the best part. Also, go ahead, Abbas. So it's a very small example. Just you can took over that what I have just given a summary example. अभी मैंने ऊपर बताया था, तो एक हो सकता है ना, मैंने आपको एक example भी दे सकता हूँ that in a rough that I just took from the internet, that you can see that how a girl has written about herself. She's an engineer. So देखो उसने divide करके हर चीज अपने बारे में लिखा है, तो आप पढ़ के बता सकते हो कि हाँ ये वो क्या करती है. She describes herself very great. So Bhas, you can go ahead. We'll share the PDF. They can look afterwards. So this is all the summary example. Abhas, you can just go ahead. Just go ahead, go ahead. So one of the most important point about the LinkedIn is all about make your experience updated with the descriptive details. Like we see the percentage of the people. Like I just bet you that percentage of people, 80% people have just updated their profile and work experience without putting in details. देखो अभी यहाँ पे एक पॉइंट आया, लाइक पीपल, देखो हर चीज मैटर करती है. लाइक वेन एवर यू आर पुटिंग अ प्रोफाइल एक्सपीरियंस, लाइक मोस्टली ऑफ द पीपल दे ट्राई टू इग्नोर, दे जस्ट गो at their work experience, they try to ignore the basically even about what they worked about. So whenever you are putting like a firm part, just as you can see that I was a part in summer internship of sales and marketing intern in Outlook Publishing India from Galgotia University only. So I just took in the point what I've learned in Outlook India. So that is the thing. I know many of them are arises these questions, but eventually you have to make sure that whatever you are learning, you have to make sure to highlight those key points whenever you are adding a job experience or any internship opportunity, or you are, if you are ending with the ESL part. If I'm right now I'm part of ESL, but whenever I'm graduating, I'm ending with ESL part. So I will definitely going to write a summarize in a key point what I've learned from ESL. So that is the thing, that if any person want to see what I've learned from my past experiences, he or she can just directly go on my profile and see my work experience and directly going to highlight those points. So this is also very important part. If any person who's watching over there have not yet added the description about their job experiences, just go and do this. This also makes any person, any recruiter also, if you having a good profile, if अगर आपकी profile अच्छी है and if your college mates want to see this, so वो लोग भी learn करेंगे. So try to add such things that make other people learn. So उनको भी आइडिया लग जाएगा कि आपने इस इंटर्नशिप पे क्या लर्न किया, तो मैं भी इसके लिए अप्लाई कर सकती. So that is the thing that you make sure that आउटलुक के मेरे पास अभी बहुत लोग के मैसेज आते हैं, लाइक आपने क्या काम किया क्या नहीं किया, तो दे डायरेक्टली सी माय टुक माय प्रोफाइल एंड सी कि वहां पे मैं बोल देता हूँ, लाइक यू कैन जस्ट गो माय प्रोफाइल एंड सी व्हाट आई हैव द ड्यूटीज एंड रिस्पांसिबिलिटीज ऑल अबाउट व्हाट आई हैव लर्न फ्रॉम द आउटलुक. सो दैट इज द थिंग दैट यू हैव टू मेक श्योर व्हेनेवर यू आर एडिंग योर वर्क एक्सपीरियंसेस. So go ahead, Abhas, go ahead. So also whenever there's a part of adding education, so as you know, wherever you are studying from Galgodia University, your degree, your expected graduation year, field of study, your minor or your connection, or grade or class status or co-curricular involvement, including your leadership, from I was talking about the आप अपने स्कूल की चीजें हाईलाइट कर सकते हो. आप you are the volunteer or somewhere of a head of your school, you can highlight on your education part whenever you are adding your school description. Whenever you are adding a school class 12th experience, you can just add a description about your what you have done from the school, from whenever you are graduate from the school, what you have done till now. So आप वहाँ पे भी लिख सकते हो अपनी सारी details, that what you were the part of a head in your school. So this are the this मैं किसी के प्रोफाइल देखता हूँ ना, इससे चीजें होती हैं. तो it took me myself to take a invest those time to stalk any person profile. Whenever start creating those profiles, when if you don't have a time, but still whenever you open those profiles and you took a long time process to invest those time to stalk any person, आप कभी मत सोचना लोग आपकी प्रोफाइल स्टॉक नहीं करते हैं, लोग करते हैं. डिफरेंसेस ये है कि आपकी प्रोफाइल स्टॉक करने लायक होनी चाहिए. I also stalk many profiles, and stalking is a better way of learning. आप stalk करो, दूसरों सीखो, दूसरों क्या experience share कर रहे हैं, लोग क्या update कर रहे हैं, and try to learn from there and try to change yourself. कुछ अच्छी चीजें लगती हैं आपको, like now LinkedIn have just come updated their features, like story modes also आ चुके हैं, like you can update your stories also on a regular basis. आप अपने डेली चीजें दिखा सकते हो, like Instagram platform now LinkedIn is very updated with the platform. Also there's a process of updation is all about, you can pronounce any name from LinkedIn that you are not unable to pronounce it, so you can just click on the voice and you can just get a proper voice from the recruiter or person name. So these features have been added recently in LinkedIn, and that is amazing. Like I have seen the LinkedIn story part is very amazing. You can just share your thought process, whatever you are learning from a day wise, you can just share to your recruiter, your connections, so they can also learn from you, and they saw your potential and they can connect you other. So these things that can be done. Also, Bhas, you can just turn the screen. So many of them have just ignored. I've seen that and recommendation and endorsement, that many of those listen up. Firstly talk, we will talk distinguish between them. Like firstly we'll talk about recommendation. Recommendation is all about what you have achieved from organization. Like आपको कोई recommendation देता है, like somewhere I worked in some profile or some, like if I'm part of eCell and someone is a head of eCell, so I will try to get a recommendation from that person. I will request a person to recommend myself, what I've done eCell. If I'm good, I was a productive in eCell, just try to add a recommendation, for a small recommendation for me that going to help in my future. So recommendation also plays a very important role in your profile, that make a recruiter or any person who want to stalk you or any person want to hire you, he or she going to check your recommendation, what the last company's profile is all about. If there are lots of positive recommendation, that speaks more louder than anything. So try to like if you are not added any recommendation, try to collect. If you work from XYZ company pastly, try to request a recommendation from them. If you have worked, if you realize that you have worked very good and you can have a good recommendation, try to ask them. That is going to add a cherry on a cake on your profile. So recommendation is a very important part in LinkedIn, that describe your past activities, what have you have done in those companies. So having a good recommendation is very important for my side. Also endorsement is all about a skill set about yourself, like a key highlight of skills. Like if I'm good in speaking, if I'm good in writing, so you can just highlight those points. If you're good in human resource, you are good in technical works, you can just highlight those endorsement over there in your profile. And people from other recruiters or any person or your friends or your person where your colleagues or student, your college student, any person you ask for an endorsement, they can endorse yourself, where high level of endorsement defines your profile a higher responsibility. That is all about. If you are having a good endorsement, if I take example of, like I am good in technical, so I put a headline over in my profile endorsement over there, a technical, and many people have 98 people have endorsed my skills over technical. So it directly highlights that I'm good in technical, and other points are just minimized by the technical. So that is all about. You have to you ask for the endorsement whenever you are connecting with others. If you see that you have worked with them, like if you ask me for endorsing yourself, if whether you have worked in future or past, so if you are good in such work, I will directly going to endorse you. So that is a way of getting and growing a profile. Whenever you try to, like, people क्या करते हैं, connect करते हैं, they try to add a LinkedIn profile connect and they try to end over there. No, but whenever you are connecting any person who you know, you have worked together, so try to get an endorsement or a recommendation from them. That is going to help you in your career. Also, you can add such your volunteering opportunity. If you're volunteering for geo in any fest, you can also add over there. You have volunteer any outside areas in those graduation year or on your post graduation years, you can also add those things. Also, your organization, your honors and awards, your test scores. Also, LinkedIn provides a test score part where you get a lots of tests like HTML and other Excel sheets, where you get a test and you have to pass those tests to showcase your profile. If you pass with a good marks of more than 75, I think more than 75%, you get a highlight of those skills on your profile. So that is all about for today about a recommendation and endorsement. So talking about the another point is very important. Like, as we know that nowadays content is a very important part for us. Like, if any person I see a good content, I just follow them on Instagram. Like, nowadays, like, people try to share a content on by the reels, by the passing information within 15 seconds, by providing a good content. So having good content is very important part. If you are working for XYZ any organization, if you're working with, you are an entrepreneur, putting a good content is very important. Like, content creators are just an important role for us, because anything, if I am good speaker but not able to provide a good content on my session, that is very lack of ability, because content is very important. So for the LinkedIn also, try to share the engagement post, try to share those engagement posts, try to share a real life inspiring story, like whatever what you feel, what you've learned from your past, from your childhood, what you have learned from today, anything what you learned from today, any from your colleges, what you have done, the mistakes you've learned, what you face, what you see from what your judgmental views are all over. So try to share those content over on LinkedIn. Try to also share your achievements and experiences. That also very good part of LinkedIn. Whenever I open my LinkedIn, I see lots of people have just uploaded their achievements from this company, from this organization, from this colleges, scholar holder. So it give a positive environment to you. So also, if you will try to, देखो अभी हमारे पास रिकॉग्नाइजेशन आ रही है, हम अपलोड कर रहे हैं, तो वहां से लोगों का रिस्पॉन्स आ रहा है, तो एक होता है पॉजिटिव एनवायरनमेंट सा क्रिएट हो जाता है. सो आपको भी लगता है हाँ यार, ट्राई टू, हम भी लिंक्डइन पे अपलोड करेंगे, ग्रेजुएट हुए हैं एंड समथिंग अवार्ड पाए, तो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. लाइक एक पॉजिटिव एनवायरनमेंट क्रिएट होता है वहां पर. Share also interesting learning thread. Like, if you add good connection on your LinkedIn, you will get a lots of information like daily learning. Like, I scroll my LinkedIn for 15 minutes, I got lots of learning from there. Instead of, I never try to use newspaper, because it's a bad habit for me. But somewhere when I start scrolling LinkedIn, I got lots of knowledges from there. So you can also try to share our knowledge. So when we together share the knowledges, we can make a good platform. The same thing is all about. You can share story with a good content, you can share with a good content over the post. Try to post daily to try to get engaged. So बहुत लोग होंगे जो पोस्टिंग रोज नहीं करते हैं, बट ट्राई टू डू दैट. इससे क्या होगी, आपकी हैबिट बनेगी पोस्टिंग करने की, प्लस आपकी कंटेंट सुधरेगी. आप ट्राई करोगे खुद से सोच के डालने का, एंड डोंट ट्राई टू कॉपी एनी अदर कंटेंट. ट्राई टू लर्न फ्रॉम अदर, ट्राई टू अपग्रेड योर सेल्फ एंड ट्राई टू राइट अ गुड कंटेंट. इससे क्या होगा, आप रोज लिखने से आपको क्या होगा, 5 मिनट दो, लिखो कुछ कंटेंट जो आपको लगता है पूरे दिन में, एंड शेयर ऑन योर लिंक्डइन. जब आप देखोगे इस पर पॉजिटिव रिस्पॉन्स आ रहा है, तो आपको खुद एक मोटिवेशन मिलेगा, आप रोज कंटेंट राइट करना स्टार्ट करोगे. तो इससे क्या बेटर होगा कि आपकी कंटेंट सुधरना स्टार्ट हो जाएगी. Use also trending hashtag, that what you are doing, like if any content is all about entrepreneurship, to try to use hashtag esell entrepreneur, esell another part. So be a good searcher also. आप जब भी कोई भी किसी को रिक्रूटर को सर्च कर रहे हो और कॉलेज मेट्स को सर्च करो, try to add people from a professional profile. Try to search good people, try to learn from other. लोगों को ऐड ऐसे करो ना जिससे आप लर्न कर सको, ना कि ऐसे जहां से आपको सिर्फ कनेक्शन बढ़ रहा है. तो इसके लिए भी आगे बात करेंगे. तो अभास, यू कैन जस्ट गो अहेड. सो देखो, अभी इसी के बारे में बात कर रहे थे. बी अ गुड सर्चर. सर्चर में क्या कहने का मतलब ये है कि लोग सोचते हैं कि कनेक्शन बढ़ाने से बहुत लाइक्स आते हैं, कमेंट्स आते हैं, ये चीज नहीं करना है। ये हम ऑलरेडी करते आ रहे हैं, इंस्टाग्राम और व्हाट्सएप और हर जगह करते आ रहे हैं। यहाँ पे ये चीज नहीं फॉलो करना है कि हमें कनेक्शन नहीं चाहिए बहुत सारे, हमें क्वालिटी चाहिए, क्वांटिटी नहीं। Because quality always going to help you in your whenever you required. Like I see many people who was looking for an internship posted, they have posted a life story about themselves, like in the coronavirus, that very critical situation for everyone. Like people have posted about their queries, like they have just lost their job, and if any person have just started a startup, so they want any help, so they try to share a proper story about their startup on the platform and try to get a good response over there. So try to, if these things can, if getting a positive response on your content, you need to try to good add a good quality person. So try to add college people where from you learn. Like I try to add IAMS people because it's a dream for every person who want to do MBA from IAMS, so they try to add. So somewhere it's very different part, आप जाओ या ना जाओ वो दूसरी चीज है, but somewhere you can get a learn from them or get a proper connection by the LinkedIn. तो घर बैठे बैठे क्या करना है, आपको उनसे बात करनी है, उनसे कनेक्शन बनाना है. So you can do by getting ad from the search bar, by adding IELTS people. Like most in my LinkedIn profile, most people are from IELTS. So that is the best part. Get a good content from the to learn lots of from IELTS people. That is the thing. You need to follow quantity people, not and quality. You just follow quality. So Abhas, you can go ahead. So there are many things that we are starting our colleges from 15, and many of them are having a very busy schedule due to last years and somewhere like exams and semester. So they many people have just have a, they want to just post every day on LinkedIn, but somewhere they unable to post on LinkedIn. So there's a lots of online software where you can schedule a post daily. So you can schedule your post. You can took a time on Sunday. You are free on Sunday. You have a hour of 1 hour, 2 hours. Try to generate or collect content for 1 week or 2 weeks. After that, use Hotsuite offer a free plan that allows you to manage 3 social media, also schedule up to 30 posts. So as a kai sare software I have seen that you can schedule a post and you can just add a date or time over there. So now technologies have been very increased. So why do not use those technologies and to save your time? If you are not available for a whole day, आप अगर पूरे दिन नहीं हो, आप कहीं बाहर हो, आपको आप लिंक्डइन खोल भी नहीं सकते, but somewhere you are scheduling a post, somewhere it's going to post on the right time whenever you have scheduled the post. So this is the best way of to schedule the post to avoid such timings. And आप खोलोगे लिंक्डइन, आपके पास टाइम मिले, रात में खोल के देखो, तो आपको एक अपना लाइक कंटेंट पे पॉजिटिव रिप्लाई मिलेगा. तो दैट इज द थिंग. इफ आपके पास पोस्टिंग का टाइम है, यू कैन आल्सो शेड्यूल योर पोस्ट. तो many पर्सन आर देयर हु आर नॉट एनेबल, जो सोचते हैं कि कल पोस्ट करेंगे, आज पोस्ट करेंगे, और पूरा दिन निकल जाता है. तो दे फॉर देम दिस इज द बेस्ट थिंग दैट यू कैन जस्ट शेड्यूल अ पोस्ट. आई पर्सनली एक्सपीरियंस. तो यू कैन शेड्यूल 30 पोस्ट टुगेदर एंड धीरे धीरे वो अपलोड होते रहेंगे. सो भास, यू कैन गो अहेड. So guys, I hope like we end our session because it's going very long and it's about for question long. So I hope somewhere I've hit the points where I make sure that I make some productive points for yourself to make a changes on your LinkedIn. And I see, so definitely I'm looking forward to change from right now only. So try to optimize your profile, try to stalk others, try to understand what the mistakes you have done till now and try to improve it, and try to have a good connection over there, and definitely you will get a result within a week. So here my side, I thank you myself over here. So Ishan, over to you.
Okay, so I guess that was one very enlightening and the audience would agree with that. So now I'd like to invite a few questions that we have received from our attendees and also our ESL and IIC team. So the first question that we have received for Sir you, that should I focus on like quality or quantity, that you already explained, by building my network on LinkedIn? So what do you suggest on a personal level?
Okay. So personally what I've learned that good having good people in your profile, like आप लिखोगे ना, आपके पास अगर good people content है, आपके पास लोग good, like you have added good people in your profile, you will see a good content whenever you are scrolling your profile or scrolling your feed. You will get a good content over there. और also anything that you upgrade yourself. देखो आप देखोगे ना, अच्छे लोगों रिक्रूटर्स को ऐड करोगे, आप बाहर के फॉरेनर लोग को ऐड करोगे, एनी पर्सन, एनी आइडियल पर्सन जिससे आप लर्न करते हो, तो आप उनको ऐड करो, आपको उनसे बहुत सी नॉलेज मिलेंगी, आप उनकी कंटेंट देख के सीख सकते हो. तो मैंने लाइक फॉर माय पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस, I used to I want to see my feed very productive, so I try to add productive people on my profile by searching from IIMs and IITs and from CRIST, and for such my dreams college, where whenever I saw the dreams for my MBA, so I try to add such people and I see them how they are growing, how the profile they are working, how the work experience, what they are doing, what are the opportunity they are availing, and other ESL also. I'm a part of Galgotia ESL. Also, I seen many ESL uh, colleges that they are part of ESL. So I try to add them also. I definitely try to add such people who add a value in my life or somewhere where I get to lots of learning from them. कि ऐसा ना हो कि मैं दूसरों को देख रहा
Yeah,
हूँ तो
yeah,
कुछ ऐसा
sure.
पोस्ट आ रहा है, तो ऐसा चीजें आनी चाहिए जहां से हम लर्न कर रहे हैं, मेरे हिसाब से.
Okay, okay. That's a very clear response from your side that obviously quality matters, but when you want to learn something, you can prefer a little quantity on your LinkedIn connections. So
Sure,
I
sure,
guess the next
definitely.
question that we have, during a week, like how many hours are typically devoted to maintaining a LinkedIn company page and engaging the audience? What do you suggest for that?
Can you just repeat a question? Actually, it was.
Yeah, yeah, sure. I'll just repeat once again for you. So the question is like during a week, how many hours are typically devoted to maintaining a LinkedIn company page and engaging the audience there?
Okay, okay, so great. For maintaining your company page, if someone you have a startup, you need to definitely put effort for creating your company profile, because wherever you are putting a work experience of your company or your organization where you are part of CEO or founder, so you have to make sure that you put everything on a fine whenever any person, because you start eventually from zero to and your dream followers, so you have to make sure you have to invest a lot of time from the starting. So ऐसा हो कि आप चीजें पुट राइट टाइम पे अभी करो, बट लॉन्ग टर्म प्रोसेस में वो चीजें कम हो जाती हैं. सो इट्स ऑल अबाउट योर सेल्फ, राइट, हाउ मच यू आर attending your about your company or organization. Also about putting an engaging audience, you need to post a daily post to getting a proper response on your LinkedIn. So a daily basis पे at least one post is very required to put a content on LinkedIn. So I will say that within 2 days or 1 days, one content is very required for on LinkedIn posting. अगर आप नहीं कर रहे हो रोज पोस्ट, आप एक हफ्ते में एक पोस्ट कर रहे हो, not going to matter at all. But if you are posting a daily, somewhere you are going to get a lots of positive correction over you, and you will see a positive response over there, and you are going to learn over there, and also your content will be going to improve.
Okay, okay, that's great. So like one of our e-sale mate looks very interested and he has asked many questions. We'll take one by one. So first of all, he has asked like how to find a job on LinkedIn, how to, you know, catch a opportunity. So what do you
Okay,
suggest
so
for him?
I hope like many of them are from last year and definitely looking for opportunity of job. So it's very just simple. It's all about you have to make sure the tips what I have given to you about from starting from the profile picture, from a summary, from a resume. A resume play a very important role whenever you are going for a company, not as a virtually. We keep aside a virtual part. Apart from we are going and visiting a company, we keep ourselves with a proper desk in the formal, as we learn from this only that you should be very formal, you should be keep very clean shape. Also you should update your resume very clearly whenever you are visiting any company. So the same thing you need to follow on LinkedIn. Also you have to try to keep your profile picture very professional. You have to try to provide your summary, which is not about selling, it's all about telling, and definitely a proper resume and proper skill set and work experience with a proper sequence order. So whenever you are applying for a job, please recheck about yourself. If you everything is fine, definitely you are going to get a job. And many of them are seeking a job from the LinkedIn only.
Yeah, yeah, we have already seen like after this like COVID, everything has been shattered. So people are trying and they are really hitting the point. So one more question we have got, that how do I increase my followers on LinkedIn? Talked about making connections, but what do you suggest a plan for increased followers?
So basically, there's a is I'm audible. So there's a lot there in the world, and definitely you're looking. It will took a long process to add every person which you are dreaming for. So basically, you can start adding productive
Mhm.
people every day. Try to you try to keep a target. Like I try to get my followers. Like I try to add 15 people every time. My target is all about to create 15 people's connection every day. So try to keep a target, and keeping 15 people as a productive people, and try to add 15 people once a day. 15 people in, so your day your target is completed. So try to do such things for a long process, like for a month, for a 2 month. So you will have a proper quality also and quantity also in the same time. So everything start with the target, everything start with the sequence, everything start with the process. So eventually if you start taking actions, eventually the results are going to be put in the front of yourself.
Okay, okay. So that's a very great response from our side. And I believe that was one very informative and very useful session for all of our attendees, perfectly covering all the points and explaining everything very clearly and in a very such a short time. It's really truly. So I guess it's time for a wrap. But before wrapping up, I would like to like inform everybody about one very interesting information, that is about our upcoming next event, that is Galgotia's InnoFest 2020. There will have sessions on frugal innovation, creativity, and problem solving. We'll also have panel discussions on Atmanirbhar Bharat and the National Education Policy 2020 from the perspective of innovation and entrepreneurship. And at last but not the least, the most important part of that event would be the Galgotia's Innovation Contest. And that would be very exclusively for the Galgotia's University students. And just to mention, all attendees of that event will be eligible for e-certificate, same as this. So I guess this event was very useful to everyone who has joined. Although we have few numbers, but I believe everybody have felt they have utilized their time in a good session. And I really heartily thanks to our speaker and all for joining. Have a very good night and bye bye.